Hi everyone. Thanks for joining Craving Crochet today. Happy Sunday.
Let me show you something.
Hey everyone. Hi. Thank you so much for joining me today. This video is a giveaway video that is being sponsored by Pricilla of Distinctive Crochet, and it's called 50 for Me, 50 for You Giveaway 2021 by Distinctive Crochet.
Hello and welcome to my channel, Distinctive Crochet. My name is Priscilla and I would like to thank all my new subscribers for coming to check me out and all my returning subscribers for spending some time with me. Alright everyone, so today I'm wearing my Autumn's Favorite Swancho, and it is a written pattern I have available on Ravelry as well as a tutorial, and I will link all that information down below. And I just celebrated my 1 year of making videos here on YouTube a couple days ago, and I did a special event video, so in case you haven't checked it out, I will link that down below as well. And today I wanted to go ahead and extend on the celebration with a giveaway. So this is the 50 for Me, 50 for You 2021 giveaway.
And she has asked other crochet channels to participate by making a video, which that's what I'm doing today, and announcing her giveaway. And what she's asking us to do as content creators is have people, invite people to go watch her video, and at the same time they're watching the videos that all the content creators are doing, commenting on them, liking the video, and it would be great if you would subscribe to me. And then on March the 4th, I'm going to do a drawing and get the name of one person from that drawing, and I will give it over to Pricilla of Distinctive Crochet. And then she's going to get all the names that everyone submits to her that they would be drawing on the March the 4th. Hopefully I'm making sense. And then she's going to do a grand prize. So you're going to be a semi-finalist on my channel by commenting and liking and subscribing. And then other channels are going to do the same thing. So you're going to be semi-finalists on all the channels that you go to watch. So Priscilla is going to have a list of all the channels that are participating in the description of her video. So if you want more than one chance to participate or to get your name, the opportunity for your name to be drawn more than once, could be, watch all those videos, subscribe to them if you're not subscribed, like the video, and most important, leave a comment. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the rules that Priscilla has for the giveaway also in the description box of this video, so you can look that over. And if there's any questions or comments regarding the rules, then you contact Pricilla of Distinctive Crochet, and I'm going to leave her original video announcing, so you can go to her channel, check out her video, and then you can hear all the details on exactly what it is that she's giving away. So on March the 4th, I will be doing a drawing for the semi-finalists, and I will probably be making a video on that. So you don't want to miss that. So come back March the 4th. I might have something sooner, but make sure you come back March the 4th to see if you won the semi-finalist name. So that's my video for today. Once again, I want to say happy Sunday and good luck everyone, and God bless you, and have a wonderful Sunday. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.